Hey everyone, this is my Solidworks tip and trick that I wanted to show y'all. Um, this is actually what I have here is a 3D flange that I made a while back, and this kind of software is something I use all the time at my job in Odessa since I work for a manufacturing company. We use this pretty much daily in the engineering department. So, and I don't know if any of you might be familiar with 3D modeling software, but it's actually pretty cool. It's fun, and I know a lot of business professionals in engineering use this quite a bit to create mechanical parts, or what I have here, flange, or even vessels that are out in the oil field, um, such as heater treater, um, other equipment, so forth. But what I wanted to show y'all is something that I was working on this part in the past, and it's basically involves this sketch that I have out here, and let me show y'all. So the main thing we would like to do with this part is to create an actual 3D thread on the the end part of the flange body here. And so how exactly we would go about doing that? Well, first off, we have to have a sketch profile, which I have here, sketch 11, and see if I can zoom in on it. And right here, what I have is the thread profile. Now, this is a thread profile of a standard Acme thread that is used quite a bit on a lot of the flanges that we have that are sold to to oil and gas exploration companies. Um, so with standard Acme, what we have is a 29-degree angle, and this is the angle between threads. So, and what we have here is the width and the height of the thread. Now, one thing we always want to make sure that we remember to do whenever we actually make a thread profile for a 3D part like this is to make sure that this thread profile is lined up with the outside edge of this 3D part. So, and as you can see, this front part of this thread profile is actually jutting out into the outer rim of the flange, or at least the end part of the flange here. And we want to make sure that that's the case, because if we don't have this front part of the thread jutting out and actually making contact with the outer rim of the part, then it won't cut the profile that we need. So, but in this case, I've already done that, and it is connecting with the outer rim. So, okay, and what we also have here is something called a helical spiral. And what the helical spiral does is basically just give a thread profile direction, and which is all configurable. So, and you can access it from this curves button up here at the top. And this is the helix and spiral. So once we have that set out, and we have the dimensions that we want on our thread profile right here. What do we do next in order to cut this part and actually make the 3D cutout that we need? Well, all we need to really do is go to this feature bar right here, and we have sketch, evaluate, dim expert, other things. But let's go to the feature menu right here right now. So what we do is we basically would choose swept cut, and we take the thread profile that we have, and then we want to select this helical spiral. And as you can see, it generates a pretty cool preview of what the cut will look like on this part. So that looks pretty good. So just go ahead and click OK. And now we have our basic thread cut out in all its 3D glory here, and that's pretty much the tip and trick. It's really cool too. You can actually have it taper off, just like um, you'd find on any thread, really. So, but that pretty much covers it. And I hope you all enjoyed this first SolidWorks tips and tricks video. And I'll see you all again next time.